Welcome back, guys. Stonehouse Acres. If you haven't already, click like and subscribe. Today we are doing an overview on my new Homak service cart. I picked it up on Facebook Marketplace. It is a 35-inch, 4-drawer, flip-top service cart. Let's get into an overview. To start, obviously a flip-top, which I really like. Deep organization for tools, sockets, whatever you really want. But really nice deep flip-top here. 4 drawers. This will be really nice for sockets, impacts, etc. And the 4th drawer is a little deeper at the bottom here, and obviously the bottom shelf. What I really appreciate is the 4 rubber bumper plates on each side. This will be some nice protection when moving it around the shop. It just allows in case you bump it on the tractor, on vehicles, on the wall, etc. And then obviously my favorite part is a really sturdy Homak bar here for pushing it around. Now, it also came with a magnetic tray for parts and pieces, etc. So that's a really nice added benefit there. Rolls nice, casters, heavy duty, feels heavy duty. I have not had one of these before. I've never seen one before. I've never tested one before, but it's heavy, and I'm excited to implement it into the shop. If any of you have had a Homak before or currently have a Homak of any type, put it in the comments below. Let me know what your thoughts are, because I'm excited to put this into use and start putting some tools in it. I'll give you an update on organization in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. I hope you like my new Homak service cart. Like I said, in an upcoming video, I will show you it fully organized and what I end up using it for. We'll see you on the next one.